Welcome to Quick Math Tricks. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to multiply any two-digit number super fast without calculator. For instance, we have a number like 35 times 42. We want to multiply these numbers very fast. This is how to do it. First of all, break each number into tens and ones. That is, 35 is equals to 30 plus 5. And then 42 is equals to 40 plus 2. After you have done this, the next thing is to cross multiply this breakdown. Start with 30 times 40, that gives you 1200. Then 40 times 5, that gives you 200. 30 times 2, that gives you 60. And lastly, 5 times 2, that gives you 10. After you have cross multiplied all these numbers, the final thing you just need to do is to add them up. 1200 plus 200 is equals to 1400. 1400 plus 60 is 1460. And 1460 plus 10 is equals to 1470. This is the faster way to multiply this two-digit number. Let's compare this with the conventional way of multiplying the numbers, which is not as fast as this. If you want to use the conventional way of multiplying these two numbers, first of all, you arrange your numbers like this. Then you multiply the lower number by the upper number, and you start with 2 times 5. That will give you 10. So you write 0, you carry 1. Then you say 2 times 3, that will give you 6, plus the one you carried. That makes it 7. Now you say 4 times 5, that gives you 20. You write 0, you carry 2. Then you say 4 times 3, that gives you 12, plus the 2 you carried earlier, that is 14. After you have done this, then you add them together. First of all, you bring the 0 down because there is no number under. Then 7 plus 0, that gives you 7. And then 14, you bring it down. That gives you 1470, which is the same with what we did earlier. But this one is not as fast as the first method we used. Let's take a look at another example. We have a number like 64 times 37. So just like I said earlier, first of all, break these numbers down. 64 is equal to 60 plus 4. And then 37 is equal to 30 plus 7. After this, then cross multiply these numbers. 60 times 30 is equal to 1800. Do you know how I got this 1800 very fast? You know 60 is equal to 6 times 10. And 30 is equal to 3 times 10. So first of all, you say 6 times 3, which is 18. Then the 10 on top of the 6 and the 10 on top of the 30, which is 10 times 10, which is 100. So when you say 18 times 100, that gives you 1800. So 60 times 30 is equal to 1800. Then you say 60 times 7, that gives you 420. Then you say 30 times 4, that gives you 120. And finally, 4 times 7, that gives you 28. After this, just add everything together. When you add 1800 with 420 with 120 with 28, it will give you 2368. So this is how to multiply any two-digit numbers super fast without calculator. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment.